Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll teaching you how to see who send you anonymous message on NGL. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your NGL app and your Instagram app was updated, okay? So after that you need to download this, okay? You go to that site here injectapp.org, okay? And here you're searching for NGL. After that, you see the first option, NGL++. Okay, so just click here. And after that, you just clicking start injection. And basically, this is a hack, okay, for NGL. And using that hack, you can see everyone who sent you anonymous message on NGL, okay? So I hope I can help you to see who sent you anonymous message on NGL. If you like, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya.